The first task we're going to do is to pick open orders. Initially, you'll be prompted to start a session, which is per user and per day. Then, we can filter the open fulfillments, let's say by shipping selected. This gives us a much smaller list to pick from. So here, let's go ahead and pick our first order. And now we're prompted to scan the first item. So you can see we need 2, so let's scan the second. All right, all items have been picked, so let's go ahead and tag and return. Here, let's go to the next item, and same as before, and mark the remaining manually. Here we'll confirm as packed and mark as fulfilled. Here in the order timeline, it's been tagged as picked, as well as a note has been added to the order to detail who scanned the pick, as well as if there were any manual scans. And if you batch print labels later, you can easily filter by tagged of picked to get those orders that have been completed. Let's see about scanning inventory. So let's say for that same item, we want to do an inventory check. So just go ahead and scan it in. And then we have quantity on hand, which represents the physical quantity, including items that are committed to orders that have come in and are being fulfilled. So let's say that we counted and there were actually only 95 available. So let's go ahead and confirm that change. As you'll see here, there's an inventory scan log over time of who scanned what and when, which you can also filter, such as like before, by me. And so that's great and good if you have existing barcodes for your items. But if you don't, no worries, we can go ahead and print barcodes. Here we're going to select items we want to print, such as those Acne widgets. We're going to add all the items from the list. We do need a barcode to print. That's okay. If you do not have a barcode, you can auto-generate a barcode, which will sync with your Shopify data, as well as the label quantity, which we took from your current inventory available, as well as a template for the labels. So the default would be the Dino 1 1/8 by 3 1/2, but there's other options to choose from, including an Avery badge, as well as options for the label itself. And all you have to do is just download the labels that we selected, and a PDF will download, which you can send to your Dino or inkjet printer. Now, if you're on the Shopify or iOS mobile app, pretty much the same. The only difference is that when you go to scan, you want to look for the scan icon, click on that, and a camera scanner will load where you can scan the barcode that you need.